2005 Holden Commodore VZSS doors for Sedan RWD Petrol unleaded manual 6-speed color, silver 18-inch alloy wheels, alarm system /remote anti-theft, anti-lock braking, automatic aircon /climate control, body kit, brake assist, CD with 6 CD stacker, central locking remote control, cruise control, dual front airbag package, electronic brake force distribution, engine immobilizer, fog lights front, leather steering wheel, limited slip differential, power front seat driver, power mirrors, power steering, power windows, rear spoiler, seat belts, pre-tensioners front seats, side front airbag,